Today we are going to learn about how computers can compare things like numbers to make decisions, just like you might check if one toy is bigger than another or if you have more candies than your friend. Computers use something called comparison operators to compare numbers and other values. This helps them decide what to do next in a program. Let's jump in and see how fun and useful this can be in Python. So first let's make it full screen. So I'll make a variable called a. Let's put something. A equal to x equal to and insert bracket quotation mark So you will be thinking, what is int input? So it is something that you can ask the user. If you type there x equal to input inside bracket inside quotation mark enter x, we cannot enter any number. We can only enter text like hello, how are you, something, a text. But if you put int input, we can only put number. So while we want both of them, when you want int, you can type there int input. While you want text, you can type there input only. So next is going to be another variable called y. Okay, so if the user will enter a number, so let's just save it first. Operator dot function. So let's save. So there is one error in here, so let's see what is the error. Let's close this one and okay. So next, let's run this code and show you what is it. It will ask for a number. If I put there a text, it is going to be an error. Okay. So now we have to check which one is bigger, smaller and everything. So if x less than y, print inside bracket inside quotation mark set quotation mark is greater than, is less than put there, then close the bracket and put there if x greater than y, it has to print it Okay. So like if the x is less than y, it have to print there x is like this number is less than this number. Then if x is greater than y, it has to print there x is bigger than greater than y. Okay. So like that, let's do others. Equal to equal 3. Then let's click enter. Then if okay, then something happens. So if x equal y, if x is equal y, then it has to print there x is equal to y. Then close loop. So it is here, it is right. If x is less than or equal to y, it has to print there x is less than or equal to y. Or if x is greater than or equal to y, it has to print there x is or this number is greater than or equal to y. Like that, if x is equal y, it has to print there x is equal to y, like the correct number, like x is 10 and y is also 10, like that. So now let's run the code. So I'm going to enter the 4 and 6. So 4 is less than 6. That is right. Now 4 is less than or equal to 6. It is less than or equal to. Maybe it is actually less than, not equal to. So less than or equal to 6. So now let's run once more and give it 6, the biggest. Now 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than or equal to 4. Now if we run the module again, when we put both of them 9, 9 is less than or equal to 9. 9 is greater than or equal to 9 and 9 is equal to 9. So this was a simple game, or not game, and simple comparison operators. So this is just for today's video. So let's continue in the next video. So bye.